This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety. Walk the perimeter and check fences, drains, heaters, and pools for breaches. You'll tag and separate any injured or hypothermic penguins to stop further harm, because immediate care prevents complications. Once done, take water readings, temperature, pH, and salinity, and note debris or contaminants so you can target cleaning. Make sure to document everything on a single sheet. That record drives the next steps and keeps your team coordinated. You now tackle the core repairs. Isolate and restart pumps and filtration, swap filters, and clear any clogs so circulation returns to full capacity. This restores water quality and reduces disease risk. Then clean surfaces using approved disinfectants, follow with a thorough rinse, and controlled drying to avoid mold. While systems reboot, restore microclimates by adjusting heaters and shade. Monitor temperatures frequently so penguins can thermoregulate. These combined actions stabilize the environment and reduce stress, which speeds recovery. You finish by reintroducing penguins gradually. Start with a calm subgroup, watch behavior and feeding, and only rejoin the full colony after 24 to 48 hours of stable readings and normal activity, because a staged return prevents fights and relapses. Continue daily health checks, weights, appetite, wound care, and adjust care as needed. If problems arise, use one key troubleshooting tip. If water remains cloudy or odorous, run a continuous 24-hour backwash cycle, then retest. That usually clears hidden contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.